And as you saw, the Galaxy Fold is a device unlike any that's come before it.
Since 2019, Samsung has slowly crawled its way into the world of foldables and, since then, has given us high-end products with impeccable performance and features. Leaks about the Galaxy Z Fold 5's design have got everyone talking and even asking themselves if this can be achieved.
There's only one way to find out.
In the video below, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 review. Design and display. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has an external display of 6.2 inches, an AMOLED display, a 120Hz refresh rate, a 23.1:9 aspect ratio, and a 2316 by 904 resolution, making the display very vibrant.
So simple.
The inner display houses a 7.6 inches AMOLED display, same refresh rate, a 21.6:18 aspect ratio, and a 2176 by 1812 resolution. The aspect ratios and slim bezels make the viewing angle much more comfortable. The phone weighs 9.28 ounces but is as expected because of its foldable nature. The only problem was, keep the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in your pocket and you will feel the weight or hold it for long hours, and you will be looking for someplace to rest your arms because of the heaviness. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 news claim it will come with slimmer bezels, a much compact body, and on top of that a reduction in weight, so that using it for long hours wouldn't put a strain on your wrist.
It'll be nice.
It is also speculated to come with a 6.2 inches outer display, 7.6 inches inner display with an OLED panel, but the inner display might be enlarged to take care of the invisibility of the crease. Talking about creases, the hinge sure has a surprise for us.
Let's check it out.
Water drop shape hinge. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 hinges are much slimmer than the Z Fold 3, water resistant, IPX8 and very durable. The hinge is only water resistant but not dust. Dust can cause a lot of harm to your device if not taken care of. Another downside of the hinge was the visibility of the crease anytime the phone was unfolded. It was such an eyesore, especially when watching movies or viewing content on Google. Even scrolling and typing was uncomfortable. Please subscribe to the channel for more updates on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 when it's finally released. Samsung is finally working on a water drop shape hinge to make the phone creaseless. This hinge will make the Galaxy Z Fold 5 water and dust resistant. So rest assured your phone is safe, and the experience smooth and fun. Performance has seen some significant upgrades, and we will find out very soon what it is.
Can't wait.
Performance. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 was powered by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip. The performance is very smooth and responsive. Gaming is on point, with no lags, and Adobe Premiere Pro works perfectly. The only challenge faced by this chip was that running multiple apps on the device was stressful. One will stop responding or act slow, which is not cool because multitasking is an everyday thing you know. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, on the other hand, is speculated to come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is expected to offer a 65% boost in GPU performance, 8.2% improvement in CPU performance by only increasing the power consumption by 19%. You will not miss out on anything. Multitasking will be fluid plus smooth, responsive performance in gaming, video editing, and day-to-day activities. What do you think the next feature will be? Take a wild guess. Camera. If you are familiar with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, you will realize that the LED flashlight is located under the 3 camera lenses at the back in a long look, which, by the way, is what we see on most phone backs. If Samsung is planning on changing their camera position, what will be the outcome? Is it advisable for Samsung to try something like that? Good or bad idea? Leave us a comment in the comments section below. Well, leaks and renders have made it known that there has been a phone case reveal that suggests the LED flash at the bottom of the camera has been moved to the side because of the cut out of the case, and the camera setup may not be as tall as at first. Next, we will be talking about the release date so you know when to expect the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 release date. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 was released on August 2022. That is when Samsung globally launches its foldable phones. The price ranges start from $1,799, $1,919, all the way up to $2,159. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 lineup sure is expensive. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to launch earlier this year, on July 26. According to Chosen Media, Samsung Electronics will introduce a new foldable phone in Seoul on July 26. It is the first time to hold a foldable phone public event in July and to hold it in Korea. Samsung Electronics, which has started to popularize foldable phones in earnest, made a big change in both the time and place of the release. It is interpreted as a strategy to keep the world's know. As for the price, nothing is certain, just that the price might increase due to the significant upgrades. Rumors about the Galaxy Watch 6 series are very shocking. You will not believe what is coming. Will it be good or bad news for you? Watch our next video to find out.
If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe below.